Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful voluminous braid. It's perfect for bridal, prom, or any special occasion where you want your hair to be the star. And if you're worried your hair is too short, too thin, don't worry, I've got the solution for you. Before we dive in, this video is proudly sponsored by Luxy Hair. I've been a customer of theirs for over 10 years. They're truly the best. And today I'm using their 24-inch seamless dimensional beige blonde clip-ins to give the hairstyle that wow factor. Now, this is the set that I recommend the most because it's comfortable, it blends naturally with your hair, and the added volume and length is going to take your hairstyle from everyday to something truly special. Now, clipping in takes less than a minute, so let me show you. Section your hair just above ear height and start with your 4-clip weft. And see how thin the wefts are? They're made of silicone, so they lie flat against your scalp and it makes them so comfortable. Next, layer your second 4-clip weft right on top for more volume. Now, clip your 3-clip weft at temple height. Follow with the second 3-clip weft on top. Finally, clip in your 2-clip wefts on the sides to help everything blend into your braid. And if you're new to extensions, I have a tutorial that guides you step by step in choosing the perfect style and color for your hair. You'll find all the links, including a discount, in the description below. Let's begin. First, trace an inch back from your hairline, down around your crown, and completely section this off. Then tightly secure with a clear hair elastic. Next, pinch and pull on the hair around your crown to add volume, and the more formal the occasion, the more volume you'll want to create. Now, trace about an inch down from your previous section to the back of your head, gathering the hair underneath your ponytail as well. Section this off into 2 parts, a left and a right, and join them together over your previous ponytail and tightly secure with a hair elastic. The best part, pinch your elastic with one hand and with the other, begin pinching and pulling the hair above your elastic to add volume, but start with small pulls. It's easier to go larger later than to make it smaller, so you can always adjust as you go. Next, trace an inch down, leaving some hair down at your nape, and trace to the back of your head, gathering that first ponytail as well. It's underneath that previous one. Now, section this off into 2 parts and join them together over your previous ponytail and tightly secure them with an elastic. Now, the best part again, pinch your elastic with one hand and with the other, begin pinching and pulling the hair above your elastic and really get in there. Because we gathered our previous ponytail, it created a pull-through braid, which will really showcase that heart shape. Now, gather all the remaining hair at your neck, section it off into 2 parts, and then join them together over your previous ponytail. And make sure your top section is roughly the same size as your bottom section. Tightly secure it with a clear elastic and then pinch and pull to create that heart shape. Continue this pattern all the way down, divide your lower ponytail into 2 parts, tightly secure it above your previous ponytail, and then pinch and pull for volume. And I try to create a tapered effect. Now, throwing it over your shoulder will make it much easier on your arm. How beautiful! Let me know if you try it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.